welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy and this is my garden. Today is October 20th and the temps has been in the highs of 50s and 60s and the lows of 40s. So we are definitely getting there, okay, into the cold weather, and I still have a ton of summer plants still out here. I've actually been neglecting this garden because I need to do a full harvest of everything from the summer, and it's just a lot, so I'm doing it, you know, one day at a time. Or you guys are going to be harvesting the jute leaf with me because it is time. It's been time to get the jute leaf out of this garden as we are getting everything out of the garden. So come along, y'all. One look and I breathe. Alrighty, y'all, I'm about to harvest this jute leaf and I'm gonna take them inside and process them. I'm gonna take them off the stem when I get in the house, and then I'm gonna boil them and put them in the freezer for when I need to cook it. And if you're new here, I cook every Sunday on live, and I cook like different West African meals, and I've already made this jute leaf soup. In my culture, we call it palava sauce. That's what you make with jute leaf, amongst many other things. And we've already made it on live, so if you want to see how I use the jute leaf, please go ahead and watch that live, okay? I might edit it so it can make it easier for you guys to be able to watch it. But yeah, I did a live showing you guys exactly how I make this jute leaf. And for some of you guys that were on that live and was wondering what the jute leaf plant looks like that I cooked that time when we made jute leaf and fufu, when we made palava sauce and fufu, this is what the plant looks like. It looks actually better than this. It looks better than this. Right now they're looking really sad because they need water. I haven't watered them in a while, and they have been out here longer than they need to be. They should be very bright green and beautiful. You can eat them in salads and all of the things, okay? But all right, y'all, let's hurry up and harvest these before it gets dark out here because the sun is definitely going down. Definitely. So come along. Alrighty, y'all, we are all done harvesting all of our jute leaf. This is quite a lot, so I have a lot of work ahead of me to process all of this to get it ready for the freezer to save for the year. But yes, y'all, an era has come to an end. Harvested as much as I could. Actually, I harvested everything. And y'all, I'm so sad because as you have to see, a lot of it fell in here because they started to dry out, you know, because I wasn't watering them and I wasn't taking care of them, so they were over it. So now I have to salvage as much as I can from in here and see what we're able to eat. But yeah, this is about to be a lot of work, y'all. Alrighty, I hope you enjoy the video. The time has come. The sun is going down. It is getting super cold. Like right now, the temp has definitely dropped. The sun is going down quickly. But anyway, we're all done. In the coming of days, y'all about to see a bunch of harvesting videos. So just get prepared, because y'all saw all the things we have to harvest, right? It is a lot, but we will have more conversations about everything about the gardening, what went well, what didn't go well, all of the things, probably in November, because October, the rest of October, I have to use it for harvesting and just getting things up out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And y'all, I started a membership for those of you guys that want exclusive videos and lives. I will be doing members only lives where we can go more in depth about what we do in the garden, especially if you're a beginner garden. Go ahead and check out the different tiers and see what works best for you. If you would like to support me in that way, please go ahead and join the membership so we can start doing all of the things, okay? But alrighty, y'all, check in the description. I have a bunch of links for y'all for seeds and Amazon store, everything that you need for your garden. And so next year your garden can be popping just like mine. All right, so I catch you guys later. Don't forget to watch the last video if you did not watch that one, which was an epic harvest as well. Ooh, child, it was a lot of stuff. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. See you on the next harvesting video, or I'll see you on Sunday where we get to cook some of the things that we harvested in the video, okay? So make sure you're checking the post on my YouTube channel. Make sure you're in my garden group on Facebook. Every time I'm going live or if I'm dropping a new video, I will update you guys on those platforms, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And of course, please guys, I would love to grow my Instagram account, because YouTube cannot be the only place where I'm growing, because you know, with what's going on nowadays in this world, only God knows, okay, where we might end up. So follow me on Instagram and TikTok so that we can continue the community in all of the places. All right, alrighty, y'all, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys later. Remember, you're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Happy gardening. Bye, y'all. Remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening. Signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.